Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be preparing lotus root soup with beans. Warm up this winter with this delightful soup. You will enjoy the satisfying texture of lotus root and the tasty flavor. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 1/2 of lotus root, 1/2 of onion, 1/4 of carrot, 1/2 of cooked beans, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of vegetable bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 1/2 cup of water, 1 1/2 cup of soy milk, salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Chop onion, carrot, and lotus root. Soak the lotus root for 5 minutes and drain completely. Step 2. Put chopped onion, carrot, and oil in a medium saucepan and cook until slightly tender over medium heat. Step 3. Add the lotus root to the saucepan and cook for a few minutes. Step 4. Turn off the heat. Add the rice flour and stir until the flour is fully incorporated. Step 5. Add the bouillon powder, pour water and soy milk into the saucepan and turn on the heat. Stir continuously to avoid lumps over medium heat. Step 6. Add beans and let it simmer over low heat. Step 7. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste, and turn off the heat before it comes to a boil. Serve in a soup bowl and enjoy your best Japanese lotus root soup. I hope you enjoy this easy and heartwarming soup. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/en/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.